Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you the Thoroughbred Diesel 6.0 FICM. Here at Thoroughbred Diesel this year, we have really invested in our 6.0 parts. Coming right after the launch of our 6.0 injectors from Thoroughbred Diesel, we have come out with our Thoroughbred branded FICM. Now, this FICM offers you a 2-year warranty. This is fully remanufactured with the upgraded power side of this board. Logic board and everything in this assembly is fully tested before it leaves the facility. Now, with our FICMs, each one of these FICMs is coming with the newest and latest Ford programming inside the FICM. Now, this is going to come out in 3 flavors. It's going to be for the 03 trucks, the late 03, 04 trucks, and 05 to 07 trucks. Had to break that up into 3 part numbers, and we believe that that has to do with just overall the right FICM, the right drivability for your truck with those individual part numbers like that. So again, 2-year warranty on these FICMs, and if you've done a injector replacement and you really want to capitalize on the precision electronic control that a brand new FICM is going to give you, this is one thing that's really going to be able to just be the icing on the cake for that install for you. Just give you better control through the stiction. A new fresh FICM is going to give you better cold starts. If you're having FICM failures and you're getting some DTC codes out of the FICM, we offer a list of those on our website so you can compare it to and just give you some diagnostic capabilities on your FICM. We are only offering this in the 48 volt for the 3 platforms, and honestly folks, that's going to be all that you need for these trucks. And again, if you've upgraded your injectors or you put new injectors in and you're wanting to just make sure that you've got everything on the power side of this fully functional, or you're having a FICM failure, please consider the Thoroughbred Diesel FICM for your 6.0 Powerstroke. So if you have a question about this product or any of our other 6.0 products, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.